Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here with me. So for today's video, I have a little epoxy project. With the holidays coming up, I'm going to be doing some makers markets, and with those I'm going to be limited to table space versus the walls that I usually have to display on. So I'm trying to find some more small pieces that would be great stocking stuffers and things like that. So this is just part of my journey with that. So hope you enjoy. Here we are for the unmolding of these little experiments. Now, I think I've talked about this before, but I use these wood panels when I'm working on small epoxy projects so that it's easy for me to move them off of my primary work surface. And that usually works a charm. This time I had a little issue because I tripped while I was carrying it and I had a big slosh, which you can kind of see the problem areas here. So things moved around a little bit, not typical, but it happens every once in a while. So, you know, if you use this method, just be really careful when you're transporting the piece to another place to cure. So you can see it's still just a slight bit flexible, so I'll need to keep it on a flat surface, but that's fine. I like that a lot. I think I'm going to take these outside and show you in the sun also. Very interesting. Ooh, I like that. I like that also. Ooh, that turned out really cool. I'm really liking that. Okay, I'm gonna take these outside, show you in the sun, and get your opinion. Here we are out in the sunlight because I really wanted to show you the depth of these pieces. Man, I think this one's probably my favorite. I absolutely love this. I really like this one as well. I think it has some interesting depth. I'm not sure how much that shows up on camera. There's this one. I love the edges here. Now, one thing I wish I would have been more careful placing the gold like I was with this one. And the only difference between the two was a better gold placement, but also black dye versus mica powder. And then these two are probably, oh God, I think they're all my favorites. I love them all. I think this is so cool. So much fun. These are gonna be great little gifts. And then this was another one I did the other day and I didn't get it on film, but it wasn't my favorite, but it's still interesting. It's just that where I took this around, I did the same colors but this way and then kind of swiped through, and it's interesting. It's just not my personal favorite. So there we are. I hope you guys have a beautiful day.